Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and bleeding tank pressure. Safety first because the motor can start unexpectedly and stored air is hazardous. Once done, remove the belt guard now so you can work freely. You should have the correct replacement belt on hand, match the part number and length, then use a wrench and pry bar to slightly shift the motor and relieve tension. Make sure to keep bolts and fasteners organized so reassembly goes smoothly. You then document belt routing with a quick photo so you don't guess later. Alignment matters for longevity. Next, slide the worn belt off the pulleys while checking pulley faces for nicks or debris, clean if necessary, and spin bearings to detect roughness. Once the path is clear, loop the new belt onto the smaller pulley first, then work it onto the larger one, making sure the ribs sit squarely in the grooves. After seating, reapply slight motor tension to test fit and alignment. You finish by setting tension properly. Aim for about 1/2 inch of deflection at the midpoint under moderate finger pressure, because too tight stresses bearings, too loose slips. Once set, tighten motor mounts, reinstall the guard, then restore power and run the compressor briefly while you listen and watch for vibration. If you hear squeal or see wobble, stop immediately. Make sure pulleys are aligned and free of damage, recheck belt size and tension, and replace any faulty bearings before resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.